too. But here's the clock, you know, and I'm not there's what distance? What did we say that was? You remember?
35.
Parallel though to the ground with both clubs is what? How far?
30.
About 20. When the shaft's parallel to the ground.
So you said I should be a little past parallel.
Right. There's that 20-yard shot. We call that the 8 o'clock position. Why is that 8 o'clock?
Because the arms are at 8.
Right, because that left arm's at 8. And the hands are at 8.
9 o'clock position.
Right. Well, there you are. There's your 35-yard shot with your 60 degree. Right about 9 o'clock. And then you're going to come through at 3 o'clock.
So yours, what the aim here, you're saying is to, what I got from your article is let's really work on knowing all your distances from 90 in so you get down under 3 from there, is what you're now saying.
Right. Your scoring average is 2.5. Now, one thing I will tell you is you should write these down because you should have 3 wedges and have for each club, right? You got 5 swings with 3 wedges. That's 15 different swings, right? 20, 35, 50, 65, and 80. Right. Now, the timing should never change. So what variable has to change if the time doesn't change? The speed of the club. That's right. That's right. And guess what this does? It tells you the club head speed. It tells you the tempo, and it tells you the club head speed. So, if I said to you, can you guys swing the same club head speed? See, that was 34 miles an hour to hit the ball how far? 35 yards. So it's about a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, why would you want to know that? You would know where to measure it unless you had the sensor. Larry's got the sensor on this club. He doesn't even have the sensor on the other club. So,
but my question.
Yeah.
15. Aren't they going to overlap?
No. Nope. You got, okay, so you got a 52 degree, right? Here's your 52.
That's my 56.
So you got a 52 that travels 24 yards, and you got a, what did you say? What's this one? 60?
Yeah. I was 56 that I did.
Oh, all right. So your 56 is going to go 24 yards.
Is that what it did?
No, that's when you go parallel.
Okay.
When the left arm's parallel, you went to, that's the 8 o'clock swing.
Okay. I went further.
Right.
I went 35 yards by going to 9 o'clock.
Yeah. Then your 60 degree is going to go 20 yards. That's position 1. Position 2, 35 yards,
9 o'clock.
which is about right there. Perfect. Your hands are going to be just above your right hip.
So when you see how far something is, that's how you're judging how to hit the ball?
That and my timing. Remember, I want the timing to be 2-to-1. And I know the timing. See, this is how crazy it is with technology. What did I do with my phone? Got it somewhere. I did? Oh, great. So now I know how fast I swing at 5.5, 0.55 for every wedge. 2-to-1 ratio. So I have my 60 degree goes 80, I have 60 degree goes 65, 60 degree that goes 50, 35, and then 20. And I also have a 56, and I have a 52. And I have different distances for all those. Then I have another permutation. I change where I hold the golf club. That gives me the whole idea is you want to have the ability to
dial it in.
You want to have the ability.
And you're dialing it. What we also have to then see is how far it rolls afterwards. Because you're aiming
Right.
where it lands.
But see, right now.
But no. I don't have to worry about that now. It all depends whether I'm going uphill, downhill. There are a lot of things.
Right, and I don't care about roll. I mean, you'll figure that out just from playing. I want you to be able to carry it on your number. So you got 20, 35. Now what's the next distance? You got 50. 50 is going to be right there. Sorry, this is 50 right there. So you got 50 yards. Yep, and then you've got 65. So remember, 50 is your hands are about sternum height. 65, your hands are at the right shoulder. And in your case, Alan, left shoulder. All right.